So small update because it's Friday and I have no video ready again. Had no time to even edit. But the door openings are redone. All the outside walls are finished. That's the last layer. Also done. Only here, I still have a couple of blocks to go. I have to still remove the supports. It's just old wood. Then the internal walls all need to be done. But that's less work. And then I can finally just start a new topic. Because bricklaying, how interesting is it? I can start finally. Where? Wait, that's terrible. Rebar, there's a rebar. This whole front section needs to go up like a church. So here's like a big horizontal one, and then here is like a big triangle. And then here is the roof. That's gonna be 6 meters high or more. Yeah, that's gonna be a project. Anyway, thanks for your patience. I just cannot upload every week because my videos are long and I cannot show everything. Like, I'm laying more than 1,000, maybe 1,500 bricks or something alone, and there's a lot of other stuff that I need to do, and to keep it interesting, I cannot show you how I laid 1,500 bricks. I'm also working, it's not the only thing I do. Have a nice weekend, guys.